So today, what are we going to do? Till now, we were using all our 3Ds, our colors, acrylic colors, pearl colors, a lot of colors to do our painting using a brush. So, எப்பவுமே brush use பண்ணிருக்கோம். And for nib painting, we use the nibs. Instead of nibs, we used our earbuds and toothpick to do the work. So today we are going to do an art form which doesn't involve a brush. Definitely, we will be using the brush to just mix up the colors, but mainly when we are applying it on the canvas, we are not going to use the brush. We are going to use all other articles other than brush. This particular form of art is called impasto. I-M-P-A-S-S-T-O, impasto. Impasto is the process of layering the paint or the pigments so that it stands above the surface. So surface la irundhu mela varamadi it looks up, a texture nama kudukrom. That is impasto work. Impasto work a very famous artist is there. His name is Mr. Van Gogh. All his work are done using impasto. His impasto per rendu moonu technique la pannalam. It can be, you can make a wavy pattern, you can make designs. But nib painting actually is one of the forms of impasto because nib painting la nama brush use pannala. We are directly using nibs. Similarly, knife painting சொல்றது impasto work. This is I'll show you the knife when we do the work. Knife painting is also an impasto work. But Mr. Van Gogh specialized in making lines. நிறைய line work தான் பண்ண. Line can be wavy lines, circular lines, different type of lines use பண்ணி he makes his scenery. Huge scenery எல்லாமே அவர் impasto workல தான் பண்ணிருக்கார். So அந்த ஃபார்மேட்டை நம்ம பண்ண போறது வந்துட்டு இப்ப இம்பாஸ்டோ பண்ண போறோம். பட் இந்த இம்பாஸ்டோ சிம்பிளா ஒரு டிசைன், ஒரு கேன்வாஸ் எடுத்தோம், அல்ல கலர் அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு அது லைன் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னு பண்ணாக்கி we are going to incorporate one or two different techniques of the நம்மளோட பெயிண்டிங்ல. So அதோட ஒரு finished article பார்க்கலாமா? So I'll just tilt the camera a little bit. So this is a piece of the yes, please.
Ma'am, little more down, ma'am.
Is it okay now?
Now it's okay.
Fine. So this is one format of the impasto work. Here you can see the texturing, like the background of the figures. So these are the main figures over here. And the impasto work is done as the background, of our figures. So normally, actually they take the impasto work for a full scenery. But instead of going for a scenery, instead of copying another artist, we are using the impasto technique to do our own way of paintings. So what is here? Here we are incorporating two theme methods. First thing, we are actually making partitions and then doing the impasto. So it's a masking technique. We are going to do that now. So we are using the masking technique and then we are applying the impasto at the background. Instead of going for a plain painting, we are doing the impasto work as the background and they are giving importance for the figures as a silhouette work. We have already done it. So silhouette work பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம impasto use பண்றோம். So normally when we do the silhouette work, what is happening? The figures over there will be looking dark. It can be black or it can be coffee brown because the light is at the back side. When we see a figure, a person or a figure at the main figure theme, when the light is at the back side of the person, of the image, what is happening? The front portion doesn't have the light. So the portion which is facing us will be dark. So you know what is it? And the figure another theory for an animal, what is that animal? You will be able to make out, but you will not be able to see the each and every feature of it. So that is what we call a silhouette. The light is at the back, but we are doing the work in the front. The main figure is in between you and the light. So what is an example for a silhouette? Is our Amavasya. On the Amavasya day, what is happening? The moon is coming in between our earth, and so we are incorporating our science also along with our art. So the moon is coming in between the earth and the sun. So the portion of the moon which is facing the earth doesn't have the light. So we are seeing the moon as a dark circle. We don't see the moon at all because sun's light is not, rays are not falling on the moon. So that is the idea of a silhouette. The figure becomes, the main figure becomes dark. So we will start our work over there. So the opposite of impasto is called fumetto. Normally nama pandra painting. Regular nama painting enna pandrom. We apply color, we use shading over there, we use little bit of water and shade it over there, we smoothen it up. So one portion to another portion அப்படியே flow பண்ணி போற மாதிரி. அங்க ஒரு texturing நம்ம கொடுக்கிறது இல்லை. It is very smooth. Normally பண்ற, whether it's an oil painting, whether it's using acrylic color, all our paintings are very smooth. So that is a fumetto. Impasto is the opposite, like we are making texturing on it. We are bringing texturing. அவங்க பண்ற normal impasto work is done using oil colors. இந்த oil colors உங்களுக்கு thick இருக்கும். So thick இருக்கிற colors use பண்ணி பண்றதுக்கு easy. We will start with our masking technique. முதல்ல masking technique பண்ணிட்டு impasto நமக்கு பண்ண முடியும். Only then we will have these white portions there. So அதனால we will start with our masking technique. Masking technique க்கு முன்னாடி you have to first decide what is going to be your theme. இதுல கொஞ்சம் theme வச்சு பண்ணினா நல்லா இருக்கு. Rather than taking the full figure and making one single, அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணனாலும் you can do it. But if you take a thematic like this and then do the work, it will be nice. Here I have taken ballerina. You can think of making automobiles, different types of cars, different types of sports persons. So அதெல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு எடுத்துட்டு you can choose that. Here this time I have decided to take some baby animals. So this is my canvas, fine art canvas I am using. I am going to do the mask. This is my masking tape. I am using this masking tape. If you don't get masking tape, you will be able to use your plastic tape also. Plastic tape le masking tape le உங்களுக்கு ரெண்டுலயுமே உங்களுக்கு different sizes இருக்கு. So how much effect of the masking technique, how much you want, you can decide. Either it is a half an inch, this is half an inch, and this is 1 inch. You have 2 inches also. So உங்களுக்கு நீங்க decide பண்ணிக்கோங்க உங்களுக்கு எப்படி வேணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. But initially, as I said, we have to decide upon our figure. As I always say, our figure should be the first one to be decided. So I have taken some baby animals here. Every time நம்ம human figures க்கு போறத விட கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு I have taken some baby animals here. So each of them are of different size இல்லையா? So எந்த இடத்துல நீங்க எதை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண போறீங்கன்னு நம்ம டிசைட் பண்றதுக்கு we have to make a decision first. ஏன்னா நம்ம பார்ட்டிஷன் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அதுக்கப்புறமா அந்த பெரிய அனிமல்ஸ், if you are taking a deer like this, but you have given space only for a rabbit, how can you fix a deer over there? So adanaல initially we have to decide what is going to come where. So we will cut and remove it. Cut kudi apprama panikalam. But when you choose the design, try to take a design like this. Open a design. Don't go in for a closed design. The fox mari closed the design venda. Enna karanam? இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க ஃபிகர் பண்ணி கம்ப்ளீட்டா பிளாக் பண்ண போறோம். பிளாக் பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டிசைன்ல உங்களுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே மேக் அவுட் பண்ண முடியும். won't be able to make out what is it. Just something black will be sitting over there and the mari. Whereas if you go in for a figure like this, you will be able to make out it's a small deer standing over there. So அதனால பண்ணும்போது எப்போதுமே கொஞ்சம் ஓப்பனா உள்ள figure. It can be like this, or you can take a big deer also. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு deer எடுத்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. So something you will be able to understand. you will be able to imagine, okay, fine, there is a deer over there. That figure is a deer. This figure is a small deer. But deer you can choose over there. You can think of a bird also. You can think of a theme with birds. So, அதனால நீங்க உங்களுக்கு எப்படி வேணுமோ நீங்க choose பண்ணுங்க. So, அதை choose பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி what we are going to do, we are going to decide what is going to be where. So, நம்ம extra paperல முதல்ல cut பண்ணிடலாம். So, I am going to put my deer over here. Then I have already cut and kept 1 or 2. Chumma நான் வைக்கிறேன். I am not actually mainly going to do it. I want this fellow to sit over here. Then another small rabbit is going to jump over like this. And this is a mongoose. The mongoose will be coming here. I can alter it also. If you want to alter, you can alter accordingly. You can put the mongoose here and put the deer here. உங்களோட arrangement எப்படி பண்ணுமோ நீங்க பண்ணுங்க. Okay. So I'm going back to my old arrangements of having the deer like this. And a small mongoose here. A small rabbit here. I can put something else over here. Now keeping all these things, I am going to do the partition with my masking tape. See that you remove the air bubbles when we are putting the tape. நல்லா அழுத்தி ஒட்டிடுங்க. So this I have to bring it over here. And only up to here. Now there is one figure coming over here. So here what is going to happen, because the figure is small, I am not going to put the tape here, I am going to partition the tape here. And the figure தான் போடணும்னு இல்லை, I can put any figure of that size. Where the animal or bird உங்களுக்கு போடணும்னா கூட உங்களுக்கு போட்டுக்கலாம். A small rabbit coming over here, so he will need only so much. Yeah. He needs only so much space, so we are going to partition over here. So another small figure can come here, and if you want to put a bigger figure, you put it over here. Inge rendu kutti figure podna podlam, or you can put one figure, and if you want to write some words, I love nature, I love animals, let us live and let live, and the mari ungalku edavadhu message mari kudukana kudi, you will be able to do here in one of the partitions. Or if you want to put a small animal over here and then make another some birds over here, you can do. இதே இதுல ரெண்டு rabbit போடனாலும் போடலாம். So this arrangement we have to initially do, only then you will be able to do the partition. I am putting a small partition over here. So we had done our masking tape. Masking tape mudichittu, we had to go in for our base color. Here I am taking the base color as golden yellow. So நீங்க கொடுக்கிற அந்த figures ஓட effect உங்களுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். இம்பாஸ்டருக்கு கொடுக்கும்போது பேஸ் கொடுத்துடுங்க. பேஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கு மேல கொடுக்குற செகண்ட் கலர் we will go in for the thicker portion. So base color, we are going to use only a piece of small sponge. Take a piece of sponge and the sponge nalla round ah vechukonga. Take the colors in your palette. We are not mixing any water or anything. The colors are directly taken onto the palette and through dabbing method. As I said, we are using 2-3 techniques over here along with the impasto. Impasto is one of the techniques. So, we are learning 2-3 other techniques along with it. So, impasto is being only incorporated along with our painting. So, again, we are not using a brush here. We are using our dabbing technique. Yellow, golden yellow, orange, you can use green and blue if you want. If your theme is going to be birds. For animals also, you can think of using blue and green as if they are in a garden. Even for birds, you can take the different sizes of birds. As if a bird is sitting, a bird is flying away, one bird is coming and landing on the branch. The very different items thematic it will be different. Whatever work you are doing it. I like ballerina, that's why I have taken the design of ballerina. You have to tell it. Whether we write the words or not, whether we are sticking our figures, we have to dab all over. The basic color dabbing has to be done. So here, when we are dabbing, we have done the partition with masking tape. Yeah, but masking tape to the end, when we are dabbing this, we will see that even the color has come onto the masking tape. It is okay. When we remove the tape, you will see the white at the back. So here the color is coming only onto the top of the tape and not on the canvas. So we want the design only on the canvas. So even if it is going to come right on the top of the masking tape, we need not bother. Whether it can be masking tape or a plastic tape, whatever is the size you have taken, whatever is the tape you have taken, even the color coming onto the top of the tape will not bother our painting design. So here they have done the one single coating of the canvas with a golden yellow color. As I said, it can be a golden yellow. இதுல பண்ணும்போது எப்போதுமே நீங்க பேஸ் வந்துட்டு லைட்டர் ஷேட் கொடுத்துட்டு மேல கொடுக்கிற ஒர்க் the texture work நீங்க டார்க்கர் ஷேட் கொடுத்தா பார்க்க நல்லா இருக்கும். Because if the base is going to be a very dark color, if you are going to do the texturing, yes.
Are you using normal A4 or you are using canvas?
I didn't understand. Look, this is 8x10 board. This board is 8x10.
It is a canvas board.
It is a canvas board. It's a canvas pad.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So we have what we have taken. So once more I'll say, we have taken a canvas pad. On the canvas pad, we have put the masking tape according to the design which we have as a thematic design. So we can decide whether it has to be a small one, big one, how big it has to be, the arrangement. Now you keep the figures. There's no need for you to stick the figures. Just keep the figures so that you will be able to do the partition with your masking tape. So here we are going to put a deer. This time I showed you the design of a ballerina. We are going to do with baby animals here. Today's theme is baby animals. So I have kept a portion for our deer, a small rabbit, a fox, a different type of baby animals. If I want to write some words, you can write, I love animals, and any of the words you want, you can write. So as I was telling, as far as possible, take the background figure, the base figure which I have dabbed in a lighter shade. So that when you apply the thicker color, we have to make the colors thick. When we apply the thicker color, it will be visible. But if you are going to apply, say, for a example, navy blue, and then on the top of it, if you are going to apply the texturing color, it may not be able to see. It will not be visible much. Over and above that, if the background is going to be very dark, the figures which you are going to put over there in black also will not be very clear. So we are going to use our idea of a lighter shade first, then we are going to go in for a darker shade. For the darker shade, what we are going to do, we are not going to apply with our brush. So you can choose any color. I am taking a wee bit of orange. Now, how do we make our acrylic color thick? So let it dry first. We have to make our acrylic color thick so that we will be able to apply without a brush. Normally, any color from this, we actually take it on a palette or from the bottle and apply using the different sizes of brushes. Now we are not going to use brush, but we have to bring texture over there. If you are going to apply the color directly, you may not be able to bring a texture. So who is going to help us to bring a texture? Our favorite, we call Emma. We are going to make a texture using our acrylic color and with Fevicol Emma. I am taking a little bit of orange on a paper cup. You won't be able to do this work on a palette because it is flat. So you have to have a small container to mix this color as well as Fevicol. It is better that you use a paper cup so that after using it, when it dries up, you can throw it off. Don't try to use any steel or any container. So I have taken orange here, and for that matter, these are the regular colors, like the blue cap or the white cap and all are the regular colors. You get neon colors are also available in the market. These are all colors, neon colors. We call them neon colors. If you want to do impasto with any of them also, you can do. You also have orange over there, but these neon colors come always as a kit. You cannot buy one single piece. You have fixed, the kit has only 4 colors available. You have lemon yellow, you have green over here, you have orange and you have pink. All of them are very bright colors. The base color of the cloth has to be white for the neon to be seen. Because neon colors are little thinner compared to our acrylic colors. So today we are going to use our acrylic colors. So I have taken orange over here. With the orange, I am going to mix up a wee bit of Fevicol to make it thick. So I'm going to mix it up. To mix, I have to use a brush. In case you don't have a lot of Fevicol, if you want to use like A plus also, that is a thicker form of Fevicol MR. You can use A plus also. Here I am using my normal Fevicol MR only. So we are going to use over here. So how are we going to bring up the texturing on it? But just by pouring it, it is not going to help us. We have to bring a texture on it. What are the things which we can help us to bring texture? We can use a fork. We can use, what are the things we can use to bring texture? So this is A plus. As I said, if you want to use instead of Fevicol MR, if you want to go for a faster method of doing it, you can use A plus also to do. It is a thicker version of Fevicol. If you want to use A plus, you can use a fork, you can use a comb to get the line effect. So these are the 2-3 things. Otherwise, you can make even brush and make wavy patterns. So you can decide what is the design you want to go through, what is the texturing effect you want to bring. And all these things are, everyone's imagination is played over there. So we are going to apply the colors over here and then do the work. I'll just remove it to the side. I'll pour a little bit of Fevicol more. It will get dry fast. Ma'am, I hope it is visible for the students.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible for the students? Can they see it?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am.
So we have just applied this over here. Now what we are going to do, and taking my small comb, I would like to have fine lines. So I'm taking the comb and I am going to pull this down. So it is not going to be even. You can see a few lines are being formed over there. Actually, what is happening? We are actually removing a portion of the color from there. So now and then you make sure that you wipe your comb. This itself, if you want to go in for a wavy pattern, you can. Now I am just pulling it down. Now I can apply a little more here. Whatever I have applied, we have taken it up. Now, in the middle portion, what I am going to do, I want a little bit of an extra shade. So I am pushing a wee bit of 3D also here. You can do that also along with it. In case orange itself, if you want to have it, you can have it. Again, I am using the brush to do it. Make sure that you wipe the comb well before applying the next color. See, it has started becoming thick now because of the room temperature. It has started becoming really thick. So we have covered the board with our line work. So this is the portion we have earmarked for our masking tape. Now this has to get dry completely. So where else we can do our impasto work? How we can do our impasto work? Let this dry. When it dries immediately, we should not remove the tape because the color is not dry. If you are going to remove it, it will peel off your colors also. But at the same time, don't allow it to dry too much. Give 10 or 15 minutes so that the colors will settle down, and slowly we can remove the masking tape. But after the full background is dry only, you will be able to stick the pictures. So when this is drying, so our pictures are actually in white. Our pictures are in white. Either you can take a printout in black. So outline matram pannadeki, you can take a black printout and cut and stick it over there. Otherwise, you can actually paint it with black. You can completely paint like, see, this is an outline, and this I have done with black. So நீங்க print எடுக்கும்போதே print out எடுக்கும்போதே உங்களுக்கு blackல print out எடுத்து தரச்சுன்னா you will be able to only cut and stick it over there. You won't have any problem. Otherwise, sometimes they will refuse. Photostat shops, they refuse to take a black printout because too much of their ink is getting wasted. Just take a normal outline and then we can use our black, normal black, to do our painting. You can just fill it up. But here we can't help it. We have to use our brush only to do the work. Either you can use your black or you can go in for coffee brown. Complete the kudthirunga. But in between 2 ears, I have given a small space so that the ear portion is differentiated. So in between the body and the tail, I have given a small space so that as if it comes as an outline. There is no separate outlining we are putting over there. So all these things we have to figure உங்களுக்கு வேணுமோ. How many figures you want to take, how many spaces you have left. Accordingly, you can finish painting the black. That will get dry within half an hour. அது நல்ல காஞ்சிடும். அதுக்கப்புறமா you can cut and paste it. By the time our impasto has to get dry. அது dry பண்ண டைம்ல நமக்கு வேற என்ன வழிக்கு impasto பண்ணலாம்? Where we can apply impasto? We can use this idea, the texturing method. In another format also. Like I have taken a small canvas board. This is also canvas board. So this is also canvas board. Impasto work has to be done on a canvas board. We can't help it. We cannot do it on a, if you're planning to do it on an MDF board, you have to paint white. நல்ல thick white கொடுத்தா தான் உங்களுக்கு impasto வாங்கலாம். It's easy that we take a canvas board or a canvas sheet, stick it on a board and then do the work. I have taken 2 figures of African ladies. So I hope it will be visible now. So I have taken the figures of an African lady. So where we can do the impasto work over there? Not on the body of the figure. I'm not touching the background now. I can do the background little afterwards. Or I can do some other color. The main idea of over here, again, the background will be done sponging. Okay, fine, we'll do that. It won't take too much time for us to do. The background can be done using, this time I'm not going to use yellow. I'm planning to give some, what shade can I go through? I'll go through my blue color. So background, I'm not doing anything, only sponging over there. But we are going to do the impasto work on the figures, on their dresses. I'm taking another bit of sponge. Because we have taken yellow here, if I am going to use the same sponge, the background will be, in some places it will be yellow, in some places it will be blue. Yellow and blue together, it will mix up a color of green. So I want a little sky blue tinge over there. So I'm using a different sponge. Always when you change the colors, make sure that it is of a different piece. You'll get the big block sponges. I'll white let off white வாங்கி வெச்சுக்கோங்க. It will be always useful for you to do the work. The same shade தான் கொடுக்கணும்னு கிடையாது. You can change the background also. A wee bit of color coming onto their hands and all will not matter because we are going to apply a very dark shade other than blue. Either coffee brown, illati black, இது மாதிரி application கொடுக்க போறோம் body பார்ட்டுக்கு. அதனால கொஞ்சம் color முடிஞ்சது நம்ம avoid பண்ணலாம். But a bit of color coming onto the body parts is okay. The background உங்களுக்கு ஒரு shaded effect if you want to bring it, what we can do, we can add a wee bit of white along with this. கீழ் பக்கம் வரும்போது கொஞ்சம் ஒரு different shade இருக்கு. A little lighter shade you'll have it. See, compared to the top, the bottom portion is getting a lighter shade. இன்னும் உங்களுக்கு லைட்டர் கொண்டு நம்ம டாப்ல டார்க்கா பண்ணிட்டு கீழே லைட்டா பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா if you want to do the lighter shade on the top and bring a darker shade down, you can do it. So when I am doing the work, you all can sit and imagine what is the theme you are going to choose today. If you can draw the figures. It's not necessary you have to take a photostat. You can even take the idea of a baby, a small baby lying down, a baby crawling, then the baby is standing, then he is going to school and he is becoming a man. All these things are thematic ideas. All these things can be incorporated for our work. So we had done the background. So நம்ம இப்ப என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா we had to do the imposter work on their dresses. Their body is going to be painted black, so I am not touching it, that I can do the work afterwards. So I want to show you what we are going to do the imposter work and how we are going to use it. First, I am taking the Fevicol and a wee bit of white in my cup. A bit of white. It's not necessary that you have to take white, but here I want to bring the effect. Last time we took the golden yellow and then we did the orange. So this time we are going to do with a bit of white over there. White கொடுத்துட்டு என்ன பண்றது பார்க்கலாம். Again we are mixing it up. So I am applying for this girl's skirt. Just using the brush to apply the color. நம்ம பேக்ரவுண்ட டேப் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இதே நீங்க பிரஷ் யூஸ் பண்ணவே வேண்டாம் இம்பாஸ்டர்க்குனா, if you want to use a knife or a spoon, if it's your figure is going to be very big, if you want to use a knife or spoon, you can please go ahead. I am comfortable with the brush because of that I am using it. I just filled up this portion of the skirt portion of that lady using white as well as Fevicol mix பண்ணது இல்லையா. இப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா, this is blue. I am taking blue I'm not going to apply it, I'm just dropping it. You can see that it is standing out. It is not moving away because of the fevicol and white we have applied over there. The blue is just as a drop. This is standing there. My favorite tool is coming up. I use toothpick for everything other than cleaning my teeth. So here we are going to give some designs on it. You can make out that my toothpick is moving the colors here and there. Normally by this time our colors would have dried. The effect of it you will be able to see when it dries up. So for this lady, we are going to go in for something else. We'll plan a color for the base, maybe a darker shade. I'm going in for green now. So because we need a little bit of darker shade, we had to pour a good amount of color. Okay. Otherwise, when we are mixing with Fevicol, the color will become white. Lighter shade because Fevicol is white. The application has to be thick for this. When it dries up, Fevicol will become transparent, so you will be able to see the colors and the designs you have done over here. It will not be so textured, avlo thicker irukadu, but a racing effect will be definitely there. நம்ம flat paint பண்றதை விட the raised effect will be there because we have applied Fevicol over there along with the color. Now I am going to apply white here. Not in any pattern, I am just pouring the white in random order. No, I can either use the toothpick or I can use the back side of my brush to make some swirls over here. A wee bit of white, little more of white will be better. You can use this idea to make posters, a background of your figures. வேற ஏதாவது பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணலாம் அந்த பெயிண்டிங்கோட பேக்ரவுண்ட் பண்றதுக்கு எல்லாமே இந்த ஐடியா கூட உங்களுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். You can make a texture effect and then do the painting over there. Now here, there is a blouse over there. For the blouse also, if you want, we can give a design. What I am going to do, because she's wearing a green, I am going to apply the 3D. Remember the nip painting we did? So, அந்த effect நம்ம இங்க கொடுக்க போறோம். Here you will, nip painting, we did it on a black surface. So the lines, see in the gap in between the colors will be black. Here we have white canvas is white kernel. I'm going to straight line or effect on control. So the colors underneath is going to be white. You'll be seeing white lines in her red top. So in these two work, we had done the impasto. Now our board is literally dry. So நம்ம அதை remove பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம் எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு. So let this dry. I will try to finish it in a day or two. Completely the காயத்துக்கு ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆகும். நான் பெரிபால் போட்டுக்க காரணம் it takes a lot of time for me to make it dry. So let it dry. I'll finish it and post it in the group. So now we are going to remove our masking tape out of this. So remove பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்றீங்க அப்படியே கம்ப்ளீட்டா இழுத்துடாதீங்க. Even now it is not actually dry, it is coming on my hand, but still I can remove the tape and show you. Tape remove பண்ணும்போது slowly from one portion you remove it. Don't try to pull it in one shot. We have put the vertical tape in the beginning. அதனால அது last எடுங்க. First come first serve. The top horizontal tapes for the first one to come. முதல்ல அதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. And tape நீங்க ஸ்டிக் பண்ணும்போது கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வெளியில வர மாதிரி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Canvas வெளியில little bit so that you know from where you have to remove the tape. ஏன்னா இந்த மாதிரி கலர் வந்துருச்சுன்னா you won't have any idea where your tape is, where your color is. You should not go and take the tape in the wrong places. See how beautifully the white line is over there. We have applied yellow, we have applied orange, red, எல்லாமே கொடுத்திருக்கோம், but it has not come over there. This masking technique you can do on your t-shirts and all. நம்ம ஸ்டென்சில் ஒர்க் பண்றோம் இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி மாஸ்கிங் டெக்னிக்ல உங்களுக்கு டிஷர்ட்ஸ் பண்ணலாம் யூசிங் யோர் கலர்ஸ். பட் அதுக்கு நீங்க ஃபெவிகால் யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டாம். மாஸ்கிங் டெக்னிக் உங்களுக்கு இஷ்டம் மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு ஜஸ்ட் டேப் பண்ணுங்க, அக்ரிலிக் கலர்ஸ் எடுத்து டேப் பண்ணுங்க. ஃபார் தட் யூ கேன் யூஸ் யுவர் pearl கலர்ஸ், pearl metallic கலர்ஸ், எது வேணா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். But when we are doing the impasto work, use only acrylic colors, not pearl metallic colors, because oil colors are the main thing which we are used for the impasto work by artists. They don't use pearl metallic colors. Oil colors la ungalku glitters kedaiyadhu. So now we have taken the main partitions. Now we have to remove the main thing out of here, which we had done the first one. So this is your partition impasto. We have done the masking tape use பண்ணிருக்கோம், impasto work ஐடியாவே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். But the colors are completely wet. So immediately நமக்கு நம்மளோட டிசைன்ஸ் அதுல ஸ்டிக் பண்ண முடியாது. So this has to completely dry. இந்த dry பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா whatever designs you have chosen, they just cut out the outlineல கட் பண்ணிட்டு, இந்த white எல்லாம் இல்லாதக்கு outlineல இருந்து கட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க நீட்டா. அது நீங்க wherever you have planned. We have planned it over here, you can stick it over there. So உங்களுக்கு different animals is going to come in different places. I'll finish it as I said. When it is completely dry, I put the figure stick பண்ணிட்டு I'll send you the picture of it also. By the time you can sit and design. What is going to be my theme? என்னோட themeல what is going to be my background color? What is the color I am going to do with the impasto? What is going to be my theme? அது எல்லாத்தையுமே இப்பவே நீங்க மைண்ட்ல சூஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. So whereas we can go through our little bit of impasto work வேற எப்படி பண்ணலாம். So this is actually getting dry. I have to give enough time, as I told you. இப்ப நம்ம immediate நம்மளால ஒண்ணும் பண்ண முடியாது. Only the figures we will be painting. அது வேணா ஒரு portion பண்ணி காட்டுறேன். So you also will be able to do it. இந்த ஐடியா யூஸ் பண்ணி impasto பண்றதுனால நீங்க பண்ணிக்கோங்க. I have no problem. Okay, I'll use my black itself to do the work. But here I have to do the brush. Complete impasto க்கு தான் உங்களுக்கு brush இல்லாக்கு work பண்ண முடியும். But here I am going to paint the figures over there. அதனால I have to take the impasto over here. But இதுல என்னன்னா impasto வந்துட்டு we are only incorporating it along with our painting. Paintingல incorporate பண்ணிருக்கோம் அவ்வளவுதான். It is not a full impasto work. You can do even big sceneries with this. Either you can do the impasto or you can use this idea of impasto. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சீனரி பண்ணும்போது ஒரு பெயிண்டிங்ல உங்களுக்கு அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு few places you can do the impasto work and the rest of the places you can leave it for painting. This is her waist portion. And that we have to give her body part. The same black color which we are using for her hands and legs. Do any of you have any doubts? Doubts in the Ketukonga, I will be able to answer you when I am doing the work. Whatever board the sample, finished sample, the one we did it, what I am doing now, everything is done on a canvas. It's not on a cloth. Canvasல work out பண்ணும்போது நம்ம ரெண்டு வாட்டி உங்களுக்கு பெயிண்ட் பண்ணேண்டி வரும் because the first one will be slightly நீங்கி போறதுக்கு சான்ஸ் இருக்கு because canvas has a little bit of oil coating in it. Oil colors which தான் normally canvasல paint பண்ணுவா. So canvas ஓட ஒரு சின்ன coating of surfaceல small coating of oil is there. So அப்ப நம்ம தண்ணி வச்சுட்டு நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி acrylic color paint பண்ணும்போது this will move away from the place where we are applying. So we had to apply twice. See, when I'm applying here, it is moving away. கொடுக்கும்போது பாருங்க நீங்கி போறது shrink பண்றது. Only the second one will stand there. நம்ம இங்க பண்ணின மாதிரி if you want to do her top blouse portion also with impasto, you can do for this lady. இந்த lady தான் பண்ணணும் இல்லை, you can do take any figure. If you are planning to do this also, you can take any figure and do it. This is called the Masai art. Masai artல உங்களுக்கு figures இருக்காது, அதாவது features இருக்காது. Sorry, figures will be there, features will not be there. African Masai artல we don't use any special features, கண்ணு மூக்கு சொல்லிட்டெல்லாம், but you know what is it. So through impasto, we are actually doing 2-3 different techniques together. Impasto பண்றோம், அந்த impasto use பண்ணி வேற டெக்னிக்ல நம்ம பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். How many of you have finished all the 6 works till now, what we have done? So we have done the body part now. If you want, you can bring the impasto effect on the cane basket also. She is having a cane basket. This lady is holding a pot. The cane basket la kudi ungalku imposter take kondalam. Line potittu. We're going for some, okay, a bit of chrome yellow. Here, as I said, I'm only using the idea of impasto. So I have to use the brushes in 2-3 places.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there's Anu has finished all the 6 work.
Oh, fantastic. How many others are there?
Only one reply I got it.
What about others?
Okay, who's this? Okay. Only one person is typing, ma'am. Nobody else has typed. Is still.
Why, what happened? All of you are learning together. If one person can do, all of you can do it, no? At least few of it. I can understand like everyone may not like everything. Each art form is different. You can either apply 3D over here, or we will do the, I have mixed up colors, green and Fevicol over here. Mr. Green, if you want to go in for brown, coffee brown, or burnt sienna, you can think of it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Vaishnavi also has finished her 6 work.
Okay, but I am not seeing any of their works. Is it possible for you to post it, please?
Ma'am, if participant has submitted their work in email, I'll tell Satya to forward to you, ma'am.
It is okay, fine. But I would like to see their works.
Sure, ma'am. I'll tell Satya to forward to you.
So we are putting lines like this. After that, we are going to go for the cross lines. Here the canvas doesn't absorb much. Whereas when we applied on the cloth, it started absorbing the glue so that we will be able to make the lines better. நம்ம ரெண்டு மூணு வாட்டி பண்ணாதான் அந்த லைன்ஸ் கிளியரா நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. So we have made the using the idea for her basket also. So we have applied the impasto idea of not using a brush for both their dresses, and we have used the idea to use her basket also. The rest we can use our brush and do the painting. So this is what we have done it now. This is called the Masai art, the African type of painting where the features, ladies or the gents features are not completely brought out. But when you see the figure, you know, yes, there is a lady standing with a basket, there is a lady with a pot over there, but the features are not specified over here, like eyes, nose, lips, and all those features have not been specified. So this is called the Masai art from Africa. So we are using the impasto to do the Masai art also. For what type of other figures can we use our impasto here? I am removing things so that let them sit and dry. I had taken the figure of a fish here. So since it is a fish, the background has to be done with little bit of blue. So I am going to mix up the color. But background, as I said, I am going to do the background plain. So I find it, because we have time is short, we can do the background also texturing in case you feel I would like to have the full figure has to be textured. You can take your time, do the texturing for the background. Then you can do the main figure. Here I am going to do the background only as a plain part. I'm taking a little bit of white and what is a dark blue. This design I have taken is a fish over here. So the background will be blue. I'm taking acrylic white, then again blue, whichever blue you want. It's not necessary that it has to be any particular colored shade of blue. I hope the fish live in water. Nowadays we are doing contemporary for everything, so the fishes have also changed the position. I do not know. For me, the fish are still in water. So they need water body to live. So again, we are going to use our sponge. I will do the texturing work on the fish. Even a wee bit of color up and down is not a problem. This will look nice only as if it's shaded. If you don't have exact shade of blue all over the water. So by the way, what's the color of the water? Anyone answering there?
No, ma'am.
No one, no answer. My God. What is the color of the water, friends? I hope all of you are taking bath every day.
No color, ma'am.
Oh, that's good. I just wanted to make sure that you are all awake over there.
They might have a lunch, no, so all will be very dizzy.
So that's why in between I had to give some shots to wake them up. So we just make the background over here. After this, we are going to apply the color and make a texture on the body of the fish. But only thing, the little bit I want to bring the color over here near the because it will take a long time for me to make it dry. Now we are going to make a color which is a contrast to the blue. So again, we have to mix the color. So what can we do? We can go in for something really bright. Okay, fine. I am again taking the green one. So this time I am applying a wee bit of fabric glue because the space is very less. I am applying fabric glue. But fabric glue compared to Fevicol will take a very long time. Especially when you are going to apply it in a thick form. It will take a long time for you to get it dry. This time I am not going to use a brush. I am not going to use the toothpick. I am going to use my fingers. Or a little bit of lighter shade will do. By this, when it dries up, you'll get the idea of the scales. Fisher scales or effective உங்களுக்கு கொண்டுடலாம். Now I'm taking the lighter green. So you keep a lot of small cups with you so that you can mix the different colors whenever you want. So again, I am using my fingers to apply the colors over here. If you want to give a base color and then give a color over here also, that can be done. Then bring a shaded effect also. The bottom portion will be always a wee bit lighter for the animals. So I'm going to change the color again. I need very little, so I'm mixing it up in the palette itself. If you don't have fabric glue, you can mix Fevicol itself. When you are mixing Fevicol and colors or fabric glue with colors, do not use your fine art brushes. Any sadharana brush, which are not very costly, use those brushes because the glue will dry on your brush. The bristles la complete kaanchi poidum. Etra neenga wash panninalum, it will become very hard. So make sure that you mix up using a normal brush, not a fine art brush. Fine art brushes are only for painting. So the bottom portion of it, again, we are going to apply over here. Since I have this yellow over here, I am going to apply the yellow for the tail portion. For that, I am going to use the brush. Then I'll do the line work on it. On the top of it, I am going to apply a little bit of 3D. Either you can use red or you can use green itself because we have taken the colors as green, yellow and green. So I can use the green 3D itself on the top of this. If the figure is big, you will be able to do like what we did, either with a spoon or fork and all. But since it's a small portion, or if you want to apply with a fork also, you can do. In that case, what we have to do, we have to apply 3D right on the top. I'll use the brush here. I'll apply the 3D completely over here. Then, using the fork, you can just make designs. So whichever way you want to put it over there, you can do the work without a brush. You can use sponge, we are using fork. We are using toothpicks. This I allow it to dry. Here I will just paint it. The face and the thing I can paint it, or what I can do, I can apply 3D directly on it because it is a very small space. I can apply 3D directly over there. So the fins are going to be green and white. The body part is having dark blue, dark green with, then it is slowly going to light green and then yellow. We have applied yellow as a base for the tails. Once it is completely dry, you can put the outline with black. You can paint the face with a wee bit of lemon yellow. The body portion, we have done the texturing. But for the face, I am not doing anything. I am just painting a plain one. Because this is not going to be completely imposter work. They have taken the idea of imposter and done it on the front portion only. The body portion, we have taken for the scales effect, we have done the imposter work on the top of the body portion. Then we will do the eyes also. For the eyes, the inside portion will apply white first. Taking a wee bit of pink for her tongue portion. Only the tongue portion I have painted. I am not giving her any lipstick. Till now, I have not seen any fish wearing lipsticks. So the tongue portion, we have done the painting. Now we have to go for the eyes form. Eyebrow. So I'm applying the 3D black. When it is completely over only, I will be able to put the black outline over there. Now here it is more or less dry, but still as you see it is spreading here and there. So after completely over, we can put the black outline. So this also we have done using our idea of impasto. So where all we can apply impasto, we can apply impasto to the body portion of the, I think it will be visible here. So we have used the idea of not using brush. Without using brush, we had done the work for the body portion of the fish. But in case you feel, I would like a completely impasto work instead of doing the sponging, you can give texturing effect for the background also. Now, because the fish is inside, I would like to have the fish a little bit of bubbles. So what can I do? I can use my fabric glue to make the bubbles. But now you will be thinking why I am using fabric glue. I could have used the 3D white. I don't want the 3D white because once you apply 3D white, the 3D white will remain white even after drying. But my fabric glue will become completely transparent. As if the air bubble effect உங்களுக்கு கொண்டு வரும் fabric glue ல. ஏன்னா completely transparent ஆகும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு air bubble எப்படி இருக்கும்? Bubbles எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will stand up, the texture effect will be there. Though it takes a little bit of time because I am applying so much. கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டைம் எடுத்தால நல்லா காயும் போது அதோட ஒரு பபிள் எஃபெக்ட் உங்களுக்கு நல்ல ஒரு பபிள் எஃபெக்ட் யூ கேன் மேக் transparent bubble. At present you won't be able to see the effect, you will see only the white of the fabric glue. But completed dry பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு transparent effect on the bubble, exactly the bubble effect you will be able to bring it. If you do this and if you are in a hurry to finish it off, if you have a good sun, உங்களோட வெராண்டாலயோ நல்ல sunlight இருக்கிறதுல, you can keep it over there for you to get the fabric glue completely dried down. So where all we have applied our idea of painting without a brush, we have used our fingers For the scaling effect over here, we have done our masking tape and the imposter work, the texturing work as the background for our thematic work, the theme which we had to do it at the last. So this was the main one we started with. And again we used the idea of without brush to do the texturing for the dress portion of the Messiah. ரெண்டு போர்ஷன்ல அந்த டெக்ஸ்சரிங் எஃபெக்ட் கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். இது நீங்க எவ்வளவு தான் நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணி பெயிண்ட் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணாலும் this effect you won't be able to bring in. ஒரு கலர் கொடுத்துட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் கலர் by the time you apply the first color will be dried off. Even if you sit in a very cool place, AC roomல எல்லாம் இருந்து நீங்க பண்ணினாலும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கலர் கொடுத்துட்டு அடுத்த கலர் நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ணி இந்த ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஸ்க்ராலிங் ஒர்க், ரேண்டம் ஒர்க் டிசைன் கொடுக்க முன்னாடி கலர் காஞ்சிடும். So that is why we are mixing up our acrylic colors with Fevicol. You can mix any color. Here we have the base given was green and Fevicol. Then we gave the design of a white. White வச்சுட்டு மார்பிளிங் ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இங்க என்ன பண்ணினோம், we mixed a Fevicol with white and that was given as a base, and deep blue, Persian blue was here given here and there to give you the effect of the marbling design பண்றதுக்கு, dress designing பண்றதுக்கு. So in different formats we have used the idea of imposter, like painting without a brush. So we have used toothpick to make a design over here. We have done the sponging over there. In one place I can just pick and show you the figure which I had taken out. Not completely dry, but in small place I will stick it. Because I have shown you the design with the white at the background. I don't want you to stick it with the white color. It has to be completely black. You can, as I said, you can either take the printout of it, blackly printout எடுத்து தருவாங்கன்னா it is okay, that's well and good. Otherwise, you just take the outline of the figure. If you can draw, even that is better. Draw பண்ண முடியல, எனக்கு ஈவனா draw பண்ண முடியலன்னா you can take a normal printout. வீட்ல print இருந்தா கூட சாதாரண ஒரு outline printout எடுத்துட்டு you can paint it with black, acrylic black color paint பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So by the time your imposter is dry, you can finish up this work also. Printing ready வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு இந்த work கூட black color paint பண்ணி முடிக்கிறதுக்குள்ள imposter காஞ்சிடும். Then you can stick it over there. But only thing, when you cut the figure, it has to be really careful. Turn your paper, not your scissors. எப்போதுமே curved lines cut பண்ணும்போது you have to turn your paper. Now you will ask me, why should we stick the figure, ma'am? Can't we paint it? Yes, you can paint it. But on a textured surface, painting is going to be very difficult. For you to draw the figure draw பண்ணி அங்க paint பண்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். Draw பண்ணது will be very difficult on a textured surface. Up and down இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு figure draw பண்ணி எடுக்க ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். So this will be easier for you to do the work. And we can stick it over there, and because what is going to happen, it is going to be non-fabric item. So we will either frame it up or we are going to put it in a ஒரு cellophane cover போட்டுட்டு OHP sheet வச்சுட்டு stick பண்ணிட்டு ஃப்ரண்ட்ல கவர் பண்ணிட்டு கூட உங்களுக்கு wall hanging யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். It is going to be only as a non-fabric, as a decor தான் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். We won't be able to use it as a on a fabric. Fabric யூஸ் பண்றது தான் we did the nip painting idea. 3D யூஸ் பண்ணி nip painting பண்ணோம். So this is coming here, which I decided over here. I have put the small places I have left to get the idea of the body part, separation of the body parts. So in the product, I'm using the fabric glue. I'm not using Fevicol here. So I'm applying only one portion and keeping it like this. And press from the center to the sides. Center to the sides. Then here it is still up. A wee bit of fabric glue coming outside, it won't matter, because what is going to happen, fabric glue will become transparent. அப்ப நீங்க press பண்ணும்போது design கொடுத்த fabric glue press பண்ணி வரும்போது, even if it comes out, you need not worry about your white aanga. I had done yellow and red. I'm seeing white color over there. Now it is not going to matter. Don't worry about it. The fabric glue will become completely transparent. So this is one portion of it. We have done it. So in this, we have to like fill it up with the other designs also. So the other design which I have taken is a small rabbit which I had to cut and stick it over here. Then put something else there. My deer will come and stand here. All these things I have to paint it. I have not done the painting now. After painting, I'll put it up. So I have to find two more fellows over here or something longish over here so that I can write the words here. So it can be anything. So either I can write the words here and put another figure here, or put a figure which is long. And then make sure that I write the, if you write some words and all, it will look nice. ஒரு தீம் இருக்கு, அந்த we had done the texturing work, and the texturing work பண்ணிட்டு we have brought the எத்தனை ideas we are bringing in one thing, that we are using our masking tape idea. The idea of a silhouette using our two colors, and the texturing is coming here. So the dark color and white lighter shading use பண்ணி we are giving a silhouette effect. அப்ப அதனால தான் figures நமக்கு வந்துட்டு டார்க்ல எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஏன்னா இத்தனையும் நம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி கலர்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க ஃபிகரை கலர்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணா the figures will not stand out, prominent தெரியாது. Now our background is really colorful. Golden yellow, orange, red எல்லாம் வச்சு பேக்ரவுண்ட் கலர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்போது அதுக்கு மேட்ச் பண்ற கலர் உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா வரப்போறது காஃபி பிரவுன் or your black, a common color for all the three. So that is stand out. It will be very prominent when you do the work. இங்க பாருங்க எவ்வளவு நீட்டா அது black தெரியாது. இதே இது நீங்க வேற கலர்ஃபுல்லா நீங்க ஏதாவது கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா you won't be able to make it up. தெரியாது அது. So அதனால we are actually putting black. So our silhouette effect is also we are bringing in it. Then our texturing work has been done. எல்லாமே நம்ம ரெண்டு மூணு ஐடியாஸ் நம்ம பண்றோம். And we are taking a theme and doing the work. ஜஸ்ட் ஏதாவது ஒரு டிசைன் பண்ணாதக்கு நார்மலி எல்லா பெயிண்டிங்ல நம்ம ஒரே ஃபிகர் எடுத்துட்டு அந்த ஃபிகரை யூஸ் பண்றோம். பட் ஹியர் we are taking a theme. We are deciding this is going to be my theme. This is going to be my characters for this special art form. அந்த தீம்ல தான் நீங்க நம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்றோம். So here we are involving a theme, a masking tape, effect of texturing, imposter work, எல்லாமே வருது. So you can think of doing it. So when are you all going for a submission now?
No sound, ma'am.
So everyone has slept off.
Not like that. They were listening.
They're listening so well, but at the same time, I would like them to give a reply for me. Whenever I ask that word submission, everyone is off.
Anu was saying, but tomorrow evening she will submit.
How many of you are ready for tomorrow's evening submission? Please, hands up, thumbs up. As in, when you finish your work, actually for that matter, close your 3Ds and your acrylic colors. They will get dry. They will get dry not only on the canvas, on the cloth, they will get dry inside the bottle also. But in case you get the colors dried up, don't worry. Keep those half-dried colors and you can do an impasto work. It will be easier for you to mix up less of a Fevicol MR with the half-dried colors. So even then we are not using throwing our colors, wasting our colors. You can use it for the impasto work. So I'm still waiting for the thumbs up sign from tomorrow's submission. What happened?
Tomorrow, 2 people.
See, I will tell you the easiest way for you to do. Take a printout. First do the canvas board work. First do the texturing work. Allow it to dry. அது dry பண்ற டைம்ல நீங்க எடுத்த print outல you can do the black paint பண்ணிடுங்க. Paint பண்ணி cut பண்ணி ரெடியா வச்சுக்கோங்க. So that is easier for you to do. என்ன complete black நமக்கு பண்றோம். Theme decide பண்ணிட்டு according to the theme take a print out of your design. Do the texturing work in the beginning. Allow it to dry. அது அப்படியே நீக்கி வச்சிடுங்க. நல்லா காய விடுங்க. அது காயிற டைம்ல on your print out you can do the black painting. Paint பண்ணி cut பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Tomorrow morning you only have to stick them over there. Because your designs will be ready with you. This would have dried up. So the dry பண்ண டைம்ல அப்படியே அங்க வச்சு கொஞ்சம் ஃபேப்ரிக்ல போட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஒட்டினா போதும். So the impasto will be ready by tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow morning for that matter. Not only tomorrow afternoon. So I will be able to see all your impasto. நாளைக்கு கிளாஸுக்கு வரும்போது எல்லாரும் எடுத்துட்டு வந்துடுங்க. I want to see it. If you submit in the group, what will happen? I have to wait for Archana ma'am or Satya sir to send it back to me. So you can show me directly. We are all doing it. Done.
Okay, ma'am.
Only one answer is coming.
Yes. 2 answer. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many are there today?
3. Okay. We are 71 today.
So whenever we are asking for a submission, people are running in.
5. Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So we can see tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to have our My Friend theme. I hope all of you had MDF board cut out and kept over there. I have given the size also. So if you have colors with you, நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு இம்பாஸ்டோ பண்ற டைம்ல you can take a brush, big brush, and just give one coat of white on the MDF board. ஒரு coat white பண்ணி வச்சிருங்க. Complete board. You have already bought the board. We have given the size as 6x10 order. We are going to convert it into a key hanger. After doing the painting, it will be converted into a key hanger. So give a coat of white tonight. So you'll be able to do it tomorrow.